what we like to do with these Q&As, we end with a game of truth or dare. Are we? We are all aware of this game. It's a classic. It's all fine. Don't worry. So let's start with Dagmara. Truth or dare?
Always true.
What would you change about the film if you were to do it again?
Sound. A register of sound. Awful.
There we go. That was painless. Straight away. Immediate answer. Thank you very much for that. This is a bit more general. Can you tell us what was possibly the most embarrassing moment of your career in filmmaking?
Okay. I also worked as a TV journalist for many years, so I worked with a camera. And I remember those times when you had to go and film and bring with you your own tape, like beta tape, yes, to have it recorded. And I went with a cameraman to shoot, and I forgot this beta tape. So I think it was the worst day in my life. Yeah, I just forgot it. It's true. It's a truth.
And did it? What were the consequences? Did things resolve?
That we had to go back and bring it, and it took some 2 hours, and it was just 2 hours of our filming, so filming time.
Yeah.
It's true, yeah.
And
but
you're aware?
Just saying the truth, it was just only once in my life.
Only one time. Okay.
Yeah, only one time.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Okay. What did you find was the hardest part for you playing this character in this film?
I think the parts maybe were we were trying to climb up very tall rocks or very tall mountains where we almost fell every time. And it was very difficult and a little dangerous.
Yeah, so it sounds like we've got a slight common theme with both of these films, that there was potential danger. Sinclair, truth.
All right, I'm gonna have to say dare just so I can find out what you're gonna make me do.
Okay, yeah, because no one has chosen dare. In which case, let's give this dare to both you and Aaron, to reproduce part of the film, the two of you.
It's gonna be tough. All right.
The chair is blue. Can't even see it. You gotta tilt it down a little.
All right, hold on. That's the balls. Okay.
Okay, this is very exciting. Let's see once you're set up. Let me know when you're ready, and I'll put you.
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay.
Not really thought how your life was gonna turn out, is it?
Come on, man! You guys just robbed me.
The world.
And scene.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, everyone. Get yourself a festival pass to watch both the films we've been talking about today and all the others.
Step right up! What'd you say, my fair lady? How'd you like to show your dad how far you can travel?
You might want to start saying your goodbyes now.
Is that a real clown, Daddy?
Not how you thought your life would turn out, is it?
Don't let that clown talk to you like that.
I want to go home.
Yes, sweetie, soon. I promise. What are you yelling at me for?
None of you are safe while this man remains dry.